Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna crochet a jar of honey, and we will need hook number 3, hook number 2, needle, scissors, marker, and 3 colors of yarn. And we start from the 6 single crochets in magic ring. In second round, 12 single crochets. It means we need to make 2 single crochets in one loop. In the third round, 1 single crochet plus 1 increase, altogether 18 single crochets. In fourth round, 2 single crochets plus 1 increase, altogether 24 single crochets in this round. Next round, 1 single crochet plus 1 increase, then 3 single crochets plus 1 increase, and in the end 2 single crochets. Altogether 30 single crochets. And finish the detail with slip stitches. I made 2, and here we can cut the thread and make another detail in such a way. The second part is ready, and now we need to change the direction of our thread. Just repeat after me. And here we need to crochet all single crochets inside of the loop. And make it for 2 rounds. In each round we need to make 4 single crochets plus 1 increase, altogether 36 single crochets. Ninth round, 2 single crochets plus 1 increase, then 5 single crochets plus 1 increase, and in the end of the round 3 single crochets. Altogether we will have 42 single crochets in the end of the round. Round 10, 6 single crochets plus 1 increase, altogether we will have 48 single crochets. Round 11 till 13, all single crochets. Round 14, 6 single crochets plus 1 decrease, altogether 42 single crochets. Round 15, 2 single crochets plus 1 decrease, then 5 single crochets plus 1 decrease, in the end 3 single crochets, and we will have 36 single crochets in a round. Round 16, 4 single crochets plus 1 decrease, altogether 30 single crochets. Round 17, 18 and 19, all single crochets. And here we need to connect with the upper side and fulfill the detail. So a jar is ready, and we need to make another two details. We need hook number 2 and brown yarn. Make 20 slip stitches. Then crochet in the third loop, treble crochet. Continue making treble crochets till the end of the round. In the end of the round, make 2 slip stitches and turn the crochet. Start again with treble crochets and continue till the end of the round. For this detail, make 5 rounds. I already make it, and we need to make something to tie this detail to our jar. We just need to make the chain of slip stitches. Tie at the end of both sides. Here we are, the jar of honey is ready. Also, you can add the name on the jar. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe on my channel, share and like this video. If you have some questions or you like this tutorial, please comment this video. Bye bye.